Deep sand, travel not recommended. Here we are heading to White Pocket Vermilion Cliffs. We are on BLM 1025, which is about 20 miles away from Vermilion Cliffs. Now we're traveling on the road 1079, which is deep sand. There are about 3 to 4 gates. Make sure that you open them and travel through, and then stop your vehicle and close them behind you. We are traveling on road 1084, which is another deep sand. Again, guys, this is deep sand, travel not recommended. By mistake, we went on these roads. We looked at the GPS incorrectly, and unfortunately, we encountered these roads that are very difficult to travel. Fortunately, we aired down to 20 psi. We pushed through hard, and we made it through this area, and we made it to White Pocket safely. As you can see here, this is the road that we were supposed to take. This is actually us leaving, but I just wanted to show you guys the road that we were supposed to take as we went into White Pocket. And it's a lot easier. The sand is still soft, but it's not as deep, and that's the main difference. So stay away from road 1079, 1084, and 1323. Here's my wife holding the camera. And this is me with the hat taking some photos. At this point, guys, we are kind of exhausted from those trails of deep sand that we took. It is about 90 degrees on this day that we recorded, I should say. And it is on May 14.